pain, pal! Oh God, here you go.
Yo, Cisco, let's take him on a trip like we had a party and push rules in the dip. Now I'm tripping, and my girl won't listen when I tell her that I love her and I really miss her. Let's do it like we never did before. Let's just lose control. I know you know what I know. Let's just lose control. I've been drinking, but I feel fine. I've been thinking you should be mine on the weekend or a long time. Maybe you could be my girl. You could be my girl. Yeah, be my girl, and I can be your man. You could be my.
Well, I'd like to say that it's gonna be great.
Going for it? First black man in the history of the world to hit a bike jump, dog. I'm gonna hit up Guinness when I get back. And the only black man in Lake Powell. Yeah. I feel like I'm an endangered species right now. I gotta procreate quick.
In the morning, now I'm sitting up grinning with a little yawning. Bird chirping outside, butterflies flying by. I know it's gonna be a bright, nice day. People that live in the city are getting ready, and I'm paying attention to their emissions and carbon footprint. The global cooking, give it a look. Not anything that we should cut up in NY. Yeah, shut up and stuff. Yeah, shut up and stuff. Yeah, shutters and setups.
Didn't work.
Yeah, I'd like to take this time to remind you to look outside. Take what you need, what you need. Take what you need, what you need. Yeah.
playing the same game. Just looking for redemption. Just afraid to say the name. So caught up now in pretending what we're speaking is true. I'm just looking for a
So what's the belly flop contest?
What do you want to see?
Back flop!
I might need a massage, that's all I gotta say.
I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Therapy for me. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me.